I've decided that I'm gonna extend my pond. I've got my pond, my koi pond is 5 meters by 1.5, and not really 1 meter deep. I think it's about 60 centimeters deep, if I'm not mistaken. And it holds 4,500 liters of water. I've got quite a number of fish in there, and I've decided I'm going to expand my pond to make it a bit bigger for the fish, because I think it's unfair that I've got so many fish in there. I think I've got about 70, believe it or not, in there, which I think it's not fair that I've got so many of the fish, but not enough space for them. So I've decided I'm gonna extend my pond. I've decided I'm gonna increase the pond by, I'll leave the 5 meters, and then I'm gonna expand it by 3 meters by 1 meter. So it's gonna be 5 by 3 by 1 meter deep. That will give me roughly about 12,000 liters of water. Now, the funny part of it is that I'm going to be doing this manually. I have to dig this, guess what, manually. I'm going to dig this pond by myself manually. So it's going to take me a bit of time to do. I have to be careful. I've got a bit of back issues. So I have to try and see if I can do it slowly. We are now in March, and this will be a project that I'll have to do even throughout the whole summer. We've just come to the end of winter. I think we're in the spring now. So I'm starting now, and then it will be a project that is going to be there for a few months, because I'm doing it by myself, digging it manually, no machines or anything. I've faced a bit of challenges on it already, but we'll see how it goes. So if I just take you outside to show you, right. Hi guys. I'm trying to extend my pond. I've started on this project of extending my pond. I want to extend it by 1.5 meters coming this way. So I've just started taking these slabs that were on here. They had put them to make like a walkway. This was done by the people we bought the house from. So my plan is to take them all out and then dig almost 0.5 meter down on this side, because I want to make the pond 1 meter deep. Inside there, my pond is about 60 centimeters deep. I thought I had done 1 meter, but it's definitely not 1 meter, so it's not deep enough. So I want to make it deeper. But to my surprise, I've taken the slabs off, and underneath only to find there's brickwork. Not sure why there's that brickwork down there. So I don't want to dig deep just in case these were protecting something. I don't know, the sewer system or something, I don't know. I can't understand why they put that there. So my plan is then, what I plan to do, I'll check and see how deep this goes. If I can't go any deeper, I'll just level it out and leave it as it is, so that I can build the wall, the size of the wall there. This wall is about 60 centimeters high. So if I can build it all over here, coming down from here and then turning going that way, I can leave this side as 0.60 centimeters deep, and then I can make that one now deeper. I don't think when I was doing this pond I ever came across what I've come across here. So I will try to make that deeper to a meter. Hopefully that should give me a total of 12,000 liters. At the moment I have 4,500 liters. So with this extension and deepening that, I'm hoping that would give me about 12,000 liters. So let's see how it goes. Right, I've dug a bit more, but I've got the challenge of this concrete. This concrete, it goes all the way under my pond wall. So I think for now I'm gonna stop breaking this because it might weaken the wall of my pond. So I'll leave that for now, because that thing goes all the way, I think, into the inside and all the way this side to that side. You can see it there. Oops, sorry. You can see it there. Yeah. Right. Still at it. I've managed to dig that far. So this is how far I've gone. Taken out all that soil from here. It's it's a bit of a challenge to dig it out because this is clay soil, so it's very heavy and very sticky. So it's a slow process, but I'm going to be doing it slowly. The sun is now going down, so I think it is time to call it a day for today. We'll continue in the morning. Hello guys, we are now on day 2. I've continued my digging, so I've dug that far. This is now almost my knee height. Okay, it's slightly deeper than my knee, and that's how far I want it to be. So if I measure that, I take my measure tape from the bottom to the top, right, from the bottom to the top, it's about just of about 68 centimeters. So, and then I'm gonna add on to that 60, I'm gonna add on another 60 with the wall on top there, so which is gonna make roughly about 1.2 meters deep. So that is the depth I want really. So this is deep enough now, so I just have to go all the way to the end, dig all the way to the end, and then if I can do this today, tomorrow I can start building the concrete base on this side. I'm going to put a concrete base all the way through here, all the way to this corner, and then turn, and it will get to that. So the base that I'm going to build is what is going to, I'm going to build the bricks on. This side I've decided I'm going to do 2 lines instead of the 1 line. You see, this is just 1 line of blocks. So, but the wall I'm going to do now, from there, it's going to have 2 lines of bricks all the way there, just to reinforce it. because it's going to be having more water in it. So instead of me building pillars like I did on this one to hold this wall in place, I'm just going to double the bricks on this side so that the wall is reinforced. Hopefully that should hold the water. So I'm going to continue digging this today and get to the end, and then I'll do another video when I've done this to show you what it finally looks like. And then tomorrow I'll build that base, and hopefully I can also start doing the wall, maybe put a few lines of bricks. And then I'm still waiting for one of these swimming pools like these ones, because this one has got a hole in it. So I'm buying another one that I'm gonna put here so that I can use it to transfer the fish from here into the pool, where they will stay until I have finished the construction of this pond. So once I've transferred the fish, then I can knock this wall down and be able to dig here, because at the moment I'm unable to continue digging near the wall. My fear is I'm weakening the strength of this wall by hammering and hitting hard to break the slabs, the concrete slabs that are underneath here. So I will do that. I will come back, do another video when I've finished digging this. Okay, we have now dug all the way from here all the way there. This is the exact depth I'm after. So I'll just finish it off at the far end there, to where those steps are, which I will do not today. This will have to be tomorrow's job. So finish off that and then build the sides. So see you in the next video.